Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the safest crypto wallets you can use to store your digital assets in 2025. Whether you're into trading, DeFi, or just securing your coins, these wallets are the top picks for safety and ease of use. Let's jump right in. 1. VaultX, ultra secure cold and hot wallet. VaultX offers the best of both worlds with AI enhanced security and support for multi chain storage. It combines cold wallet security for long term storage and hot wallet access for active use and staking. 2. Shield Wallet. Privacy focused and decentralized Shield Wallet prioritizes privacy first transactions with non custodial access and biometric security. If you're all about maintaining full control over your crypto without compromising on privacy, this wallet is the way to go. 3. Nexa Wallet. Optimized for Web3 and DeFi. Designed for the DeFi enthusiast, Nexa Wallet provides seamless integration with NFTs and cross chain exchanges. It's easy to use and offers powerful Web3 capabilities, making it a perfect choice for decentralized finance activities. 4. Crypto Guardian, AI enhanced security wallet. With machine learning fraud detection, Crypto Guardian automatically scans for any suspicious activity, sending you real time security alerts. Perfect for those who want extra protection against fraud and hacks. 5. Titan Safe, hardware and mobile integration. Titan Safe blends hardware wallet security with the convenience of mobile synchronization, allowing you to store your crypto offline while easily accessing it through your mobile. How to use New Crypto Wallet. Download the app or browser extension for your chosen wallet. Create a new wallet and securely store your recovery phrase offline. Set up extra security like a PIN, biometric authentication, or hardware key. Receiving and sending crypto. To receive crypto, go to the Receive section and get your wallet address or QR code. To send crypto, navigate to the Send section, input the recipient's address, and confirm your transaction. Why choose these wallets? Multi-chain support, store and manage a variety of cryptocurrencies. AI and privacy-focused security, enhanced fraud protection, and privacy-first features. Seamless integration with DeFi, easily access decentralized apps and exchanges. That's it. These new crypto wallets offer the best security features in 2025, making it easier than ever to store and manage your coins. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.